Hey, this is Elisa with WTI. Let me show you how this steamer can really make a difference when traveling. This traveling steamer is a must if you want to be wrinkle-free. I love the size, I love the color, super cute white with gold, and I like that it has a folding handle because it's more practical when traveling. You're gonna see the water tank is detachable, and once I poured the water, I made a little test to make sure there was no spilling in any angle. I really loved it. This can be safe for all fabrics, but not only for your clothes, you can also iron your curtains, your pillows. It's so easy to carry. It's not heavy at all, and it gives you 10 minutes of continuous steaming. This is ideal if you don't want to carry anything big. You don't need an ironing board either. And this steamer, even though it's small, it's very powerful with its 15 watts. You double click, it'll turn on, it'll lock, and you click again to turn it off. Here I'm putting it in this little bag. It doesn't come with this bag, but it does come with the measuring cup, with the glove and the steamer. So this is very easy to use, easy to travel with, and that is my point of view.